Quite different from its North American counterpart, there's no mayonnaise to be found in this fresh, healthy salad. Instead, it's prepared with white wine vinegar, a bit of mustard, red onions, chives, and a dash of salt and pepper. Some recipes also include a bit of chicken or meat stock, so if ordering as a vegetarian or vegan you may want to ask if the salad contains any meat products. This ubiquitous salad pairs beautifully with almost anything: schnitzel, sausages, fresh asparagus, or other seasonal vegetables. It's best enjoyed cold, although in the winter many restaurants serve it warm. Where to try it? Like schnitzel, Erdäpfelsalat is pretty ubiquitous, and most full-service restaurants will offer it as a side dish. The aforementioned Figlmuller restaurant, Wollzeile 5, makes an especially delicious and fresh version of this salad, making it a great stop for trying both Wiener Schnitzel and potato salad.